everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Lianlong Metal Material Company. And here is our aluminum ingot.
Since the establishment of the company, we have been working closely with large customers based on rich experience of on-site aluminum products manufacturing and processing. Our company mainly produces and distributes aluminum alloy materials, including aluminum plates, coils, tubes, rods, foils, wafers, pattern aluminum plates, and color-coded aluminum plates. The company's main product series are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 series. States are Type O, H12, H112, H24, H32, T4, T5, T6, T651, T7451, and so on. We mainly used in mechanical properties, and dimensions are produced in full accordance with international standards or user requirements.
And here is one of our aluminum rod store area.
Let's take a closer look at them. If you are interested, please connect with us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.